Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe. And if you've been watching this channel for a while and you are still not subscribed, my God is watching you. Hit that subscribe button right now. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about niacinamide. All about niacinamide. Niacinamide as an antioxidant. And is niacinamide breaking you out? Yes, because a lot of people has experienced breakout when using niacinamide, including me. We are going to be talking about the right way to use niacinamide to avoid breaking out. So if you're interested in this video, then you should definitely keep watching. So what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 that can be used as a dietary supplement. It can also be used as a medication. It is also a great antioxidant that helps to prevent and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to diminish dullness from the skin. It helps to even out the skin tone and also minimize large pores. Yes, now with all these many great benefits that you get to benefit from using niacinamide, it can be very sad when you get a niacinamide serum and you are breaking out from it. So what are the possible causes of breaking out from niacinamide? One of the many reasons of breaking out from a niacinamide serum is the percentage concentration. Yes, now studies have shown that niacinamide works great in a concentration between 2% and 5%. That means if your niacinamide serum is within 2% and 5%, then there is a very less possibility of you breaking out from that niacinamide serum. But once it's above 5%, once it is about 10%, then it is possible that you are breaking out from niacinamide because of the concentration. So what do you do if you already have a niacinamide serum and it is 10% and you are breaking out from it? Because most of the niacinamide serums out there are concentrated with 10% niacinamide, talking about the good molecules niacinamide serum, also the ordinary niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. Those are the two most popular niacinamide serum, and they are concentrated with 10% niacinamide. So if you have the 10% niacinamide serum and you are breaking out from it, one thing you can do is to build your tolerance. Yes, what do I mean by building tolerance? It means do not use niacinamide serum every day. Yes, don't use it every day. If you're using it every day, just stop it and build your tolerance. Allow your skin to get used to this serum. Start by using it like twice in a week. Yes, start by using it twice in a week for a couple of weeks, and then you can increase it to like 3 times in a week to 4 times in a week. And then when your skin has gotten used to this niacinamide, you can now start using it every day. Yes. Or you can decide to opt for, if you do not have the 10% niacinamide presently, you can decide to just opt for the 5% niacinamide serum. We have the advanced clinicals 5% niacinamide serum. We also have the Kiehl's ultra pure 5% niacinamide. So you can decide to go for those instead of buying the ones with 10% concentration. Yes. Another reason why you could be breaking out from your niacinamide serum is because you got the fake product. Very likely that you got the fake product. Yes, now I said it earlier that I, as a person, I have had a reaction, I have had a breakout from using niacinamide serum, and it was because I used the fake ordinary niacinamide serum. Yes, I noticed that I was breaking out, even though when I got that serum, I didn't use it every day. I was building tolerance. I was in it like twice a week for a couple of weeks. Imagine my shock when I realized I was still breaking out, like I was breaking out from using it. I was surprised. I wanted to know why I was breaking out from using the serum. And so I made my research and I realized that I got the fake ordinary serum. In this part of the world, especially on Jumia, you can get fake niacinamide serum, especially if you are going for the cheaper ones. Be careful. That was what happened to me. I got the fake ordinary serum and I had to throw it out. So another reason why you could be breaking out from your niacinamide serum is because you are using it alongside other actives. Yes, so let me rephrase that. It could be that you are using other actives in your skincare routine that is causing the breakout, or in this case purging, and not necessarily the niacinamide serum causing it. But because maybe you just started using the niacinamide plus these actives, then you feel like it is the niacinamide that is causing the breakout. Yeah, so look at your skincare routine. Are you using active that can cause purging? Actives that increases the skin cell turnover? Yes. Actives like AHAs and BHAs, actives like retinols. Now, this active causes purging for the skin. It's less likely that you get purging from using niacinamide. But check your skincare routine. If you are using actives like AHAs, BHAs, as I stated earlier, that could be the reason why you are purging, but you feel like it's probably niacinamide, yes. So if you are using AHAs, if you are using retinoids in your skincare routine, it could be the reason why you are purging. So look at your skincare routine very well. If that is the reason, then you have to as well build tolerance with these actives. Yes, build tolerance with these actives. Now, one question you might be asking if you just want to incorporate niacinamide in your skincare routine is, I have a dry skin, I have an oily skin. Can I use niacinamide? Yes, even if you have a dry skin, even if you have an oily skin, niacinamide is beneficial for all skin types. All skin type, regardless of your skin type. If you are dry, if you are oily, you can use niacinamide even if you have a sensitive skin. But if you have a sensitive skin, you want to check the percent concentration of the niacinamide serum you want to buy. Yes, and that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.